Clevedon, the infinity pool or sea pools, and I've come because it's a high tide in about another 25 minutes, a really high one, a spring one. It comes over the wall there, and the sky's looking interesting, but I was hoping for a coinciding sunset with the high tide or just after, but there's that bank of cloud which doesn't look great, so I'll make the best of it. I'll do these by long exposure using those railings as foreground. Just got to wait for the water to come in another foot or so. It's pretty windy for late spring. Right, that's the other direction, up the estuary. There's the Victorian Pier at Clevedon, and if you swing round, I can see a big container ship that's probably left Avonmouth an hour or so ago. So hopefully that'll scoot on down towards Lundy, and so it won't be in my frame. And then if I go round, you can see to where I started. There's the infinity pool and the railings. I've moved round to the other end of the pools now, and this is a shot that I've taken a number of times. It's basically that shot there on a long exposure, 90 seconds, and it should flatten the water out. The sky is not too bad. I'm using the new Maven combined 10-stop ND polarizer, and the green one is a step-out ring from 77 to 82 mils. Instead of using two filters, just the one helps with bringing the filters closer to the lens to stop any interference.